Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Has salmon night got you down? Because it sure does have me down. I'm tired of the same old filet. One, it's boring, and two, it's costly. So today, I'm coming at you with a salmon burger on a budget. Enjoy. All right, so these salmon burglars are pretty damn easy to make. Now, of course, you do not have to use salmon in a can. I get that can be weird, but sometimes you don't gotta like that. So, we're gonna try it out. So we're going one 15-ounce can of salmon, or you can use that real shit. But I guarantee you, nobody's gonna know the difference today. Ha! All right, so there's our salmon glob. Looks delicious, right? Things will get better, just wait. So we're gonna go whole egg. How many of y'all tried that yet? Bet you tried. All right, so we gotta start mixing these clumps up and this egg. So we got it broken up a little bit more. We can start adding more ingredients. So first, breadcrumbs, Italian style. Now we're just going half a cup. This is gonna stick all this mush together. Beautiful. Next, Greek yogurt. This goes on everything. We're getting 1/4 of a cup. Dijon mustard. We're going 1.5 teaspoons. Next, we're going with some garlic salt. Simple, just 1 teaspoon. Yeah. Onion powder. Get carried away, hadn't had any tequila yet. Ooh. Now we're gonna go just 1/2 teaspoon of this cayenne. Nope, we're going a full one because I want it to be have a little kick. This wasn't originally in the recipe, but how are you not gonna put magic salmon seasoning on your salmon patties? So we'll just sprinkle that. Or we won't. And there's our mush pile. We're gonna add a good old lemon squeeze too. And I'm about to mix this thing up. Yeah, despite how gross it looked initially, it's really coming together. Oh, look at that texture, it's perfect. Now that we're mixed, let's get a skillet hot. All right, now that we've got our pan heated up, we're gonna add some avocado oil. Swirl it around. Give our little salmon pucks a nice home. We're gonna go about 1/4 of a cup per patty. So these aren't gonna be monster patties, but we'll get about 6 out of them. And we want them to be about 1/2 inch thick. Now these are gonna try and come apart, so you must use finesse. And again, salmon hands need tequila. 5 minutes in, we're gonna flip these little guys. And again, they're gonna wanna try and crumble on you. Yeah, perfect patty. And another 5 minutes on his back end. We're 5 minutes in on the back side, so we're taking these guys off. We're gonna make it look amazing. Oh, how perfect. So we can't let these salmon pucks just stand alone, so yeah, we throw some asparagus in the air fryer because it's so quick and convenient. And we're gonna add a little Greek yogurt and some parsley on top. Check it. Now, first, we're gonna have some more tequila. Now we can finish. Greek yogurt. Just going a little topping with some parsley on top. Ah, yes. There's our asparagus. Hot, hot, hot. And last but not least, the lemon wedge. And there it is, the most amazing looking salmon cakes you've ever seen. Yeah, and it came out of a can. Ain't so bad. Little Joyce. Let's see how it turned out. Perfect, as always. Enjoy it. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.